Channel. So today we are going to talk about the strategy of the three lines of EMAs, which is extremely powerful, and it's a very classic strategy. It's a very old strategy that has been used for like so many years. So this strategy, it includes three EMA lines. So guys, this is only for 5 minutes chart, so don't try this strategy on like 15 or 30 minutes or 1 hour. This strategy is only for 5 minute charts. So guys, let's start the strategy. We have three EMAs here, as you can see. The first EMA should be 21, and the color, it doesn't matter what color you want. I put blue for myself. And the second EMA should be 9, and for me it's orange. So we have blue, orange, 21, 9, and the last one, which is EMA 13. EMA 13, and the color for me it's green. So it's up to you, the color, it doesn't really matter. But these are the colors that I chose, so you guys can easily see what's happening in the market with these three lines. So guys, we have to wait for the market. As you can see the lines here, whenever the green and the orange line is below the blue line, that means that there is an opportunity for sell order. But whenever, like guys, let me show you guys here. So you see, sorry. Okay. You see this side here. The green and the orange line is crossing the blue line and it's coming down. So the orange and green, which is 9 and 13 EMA, is below 21. So whenever this happens, this means that we are having an opportunity to open a sell trade. But whenever it's opposite, like for example, like here, let me show you guys. Here you see, guys, this is the opportunity for buy option, for buy order, because as you can see, the green and the orange line is crossing and it's coming above the blue line, which is 21 EMA. So these three EMAs, it works very well, and so many traders use these EMA lines. And okay guys, let me show you how it works. So when this happens, when they cross and they come down, we have opportunity for sell order. So when do we have to open our sell order? We wait for the candles. Let me zoom for you guys. As you can see here, we wait for the candles. These are the candles. It's coming down. So when it comes down, we have to wait for the candles to touch one of the EMA lines. So most of the time it should touch the EMA 9, which is the orange one, or the 13 EMA, which is the green one. So right here, as you can see, the market is coming down. The candles are coming down and it's not touching the lines, which is perfect. So this is the first confirmation for us that this strategy is gonna like give us an opportunity to open a sell order. So when it hits, guys, look at this candle, look at this green candle here. It touched our green EMA, which is the 13 EMA. When it touched this, let me just this one here, guys, here, it touched our green line. So when it touches it, we have to count 5 candles, and then we know that where do we have to open our sell order. So let's count all together. This is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the fifth and this is the first one. So what do we have to do now? We have to calculate how many pips are there from the highest point to the lowest point. So the highest point is here, and then to the lowest point, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will be here. Or if you guys want, you can go till the end of the tail, but I don't recommend that. It's better if you go until where the candle ends, which is here. If you guys can see this one. So this will give us 8 pips. So what we have to do now? We open a we open a sell order at this rate, our lowest point. We open a sell order here exactly. Let me show you guys. So this will be here. This will be this red line will be our sell order, or we can open a pending order. So whenever it hits this, it automatically open a sell order for us. So you don't need to wait for the market to. You don't need to watch the market every time for it. You can just open a pending order. It's up to you, to be honest. But as you can see, guys, we open a sell order here, and look what happened to the market after that. It hits our sell order, which if it was pending. So now we open the trade, and guys, look how nicely it came down after that. And guys, this is a 5 minutes chart. This strategy is only for 5 minutes chart, so it's very quick. You just open a sell order, and after 5 to 10 minutes you just close it. That's it. It's a very quick strategy, and it's very, very, very powerful, and it works like all the time. So when do we have to close when do we have to put our take profit? Where should it be? It should be exactly, we counted here and it was 10 pips. So if this is 10 pips, we have to go for 10 more pips for take profit. So let's calculate it again. From here, where should it be? The 10 pips will be here. So here, this will be our take profit, and that's how you easily get 10 profits in 5, 10, 15 or 20 minutes. You get 10 pips easily. So yeah, this is for the sell order, guys, and I will give you another example for the buy order. Okay, as we said here, guys, we have to wait for the market to touch one of the lines. Like this is a very good example, guys. Look at this one. As you can see, this candle, look at this candle, this one here. It touched our EMA line. So after this, when we see this, we have to open a buy order, because our two lines, the orange and green, is above our blue line, which is an opportunity for a buy order. So when this happens, we count 5 candles, guys. 5 candles. There are some books they say 3 candles, and there are some books they say 5 candles. But just to be sure and just to be safe, we go for the 5 candles. So we count together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The lowest point and the highest point. We have to calculate the lowest and the highest. This will give us 9 pips. So our entry for buy order will be here. this will be our entry. So we have to wait for the market to come somewhere near this rate or this level. So we open our buy order, and our take profit will be again 9 pips above our entry point, which will be 9. Okay, exactly here. So guys, look what happened. Look what happened to the market. At this rate, look at this candle, guys. Look at this one. It hits, it comes exactly in the same level that we have to buy order. So we will open a buy order here, and we wait for the market to reach our take profit, which is here. So look guys, this is the first candle, came a little bit down. The second one, it jumped up, so we are already in profit. And the third candle, it already hit our take profit, and we are in profit, and we close our buy order and we leave. Easy and simple and fast. That's it. This was the example for buy order. But let me check for any other examples, so I can give you another example for buy order. So guys, look at here. Look, the candles are not touching. This is amazing. This is a very good sign for us, because we have to wait for the candles to touch. So if it's touching from before, that's not a good sign. But when it's not touching and suddenly it touches, that's an amazing confirmation that you have to go for this trade. So guys, look at this. Sorry guys. Okay, anyway, look at this candle here. You see, it's touching our 9 EMA, the orange one, and when it touches, we count 5 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our lowest point, this one, and our highest point, which is this one. So we calculate together, it will be 5 pips. It will be 5 pips. So our buy order will be here, and our take profit will be somewhere here. So guys, look at this candle. In this candle, we start buying, and we wait for the market to touch our take profit, which is in, guys, this is a 5 minutes chart, so every candle is 5 minutes. So we have here 5 minutes, and the next candle 5 minutes, so we have a total of 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes we already have 6 pips, which is amazing, guys. So this was the strategy that I wanted to share with you guys. It's a very simple and very nice, it's a very classic strategy with indicators. And to be honest, EMA indicators are my favorites because it's very accurate and it works amazingly. But guys, please be careful, it's only for 5-minute chart. If we go to 30 minutes or 1 hour, you're gonna confuse yourself. So don't even think about 1 hour or 4 hours. No, this is for scalping, guys. We are scalping in the market, Forex market, with 5-minute charts only. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this strategy. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel so I can upload more strategies with indicators or without indicators. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.